it's Chris again. Sorry about the funky light behind me. I just want to give you a little update on the status. So we met with the doctor on the 10th, Dr. Behara, our IVF consultation, and had blood work done. And I gave you an update on that and the new medication for thyroid that I'm on, going along with that. Around February 15th or so, I'm going to go in and get my blood work done again to see where that is at. In the meantime, this is just to touch bases with you and let you know my findings. So we called the insurance, and I said this in the last video. Insurance said, yeah, you're covered, but you have to do this form, blah, 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 get it officially approved, yada, yada, yada. So I sent all that information down to the guy and the ID and everything that was said to the financial gal at our, representative office, our Bloom. So they call me back today and say, well, we gave Cigna all this information and they say you're still not covered for fertility. And they say, yes, they see the note of the guy that I spoke with, but he misspoke and we don't have fertility coverage. So I want to freak out, get really angry. But instead I tell her, it's okay. We're going to roll with the punches. I'm pretty confident that insurance is going to cover this because I am. It's ups and downs with insurance. They're going to deny and deny and deny it. But before we picked this plan in November of 2015 for the 2016 year, we called them. We called the number specific from my husband's business, his job, which is like a world-renowned known company. It's huge. And they said, yes, that plan does cover fertility. So we picked that plan, and now we're being told it doesn't. And then we've been told it does, and now they're calling and it doesn't. So every time the doctor's office calls, it doesn't cover it. It gets tricky. I'm prepared to ride this roller coaster, but it does frustrate me. And it frustrates me to the point where I come home and I share with my husband, but I'm real bitchy, and I shouldn't be bitchy to him, but I'm short with him, and it's really not his fault. The insurance is just the insurance. That's what it is. But I'm going to look into grants as well. It's a rarity to get approval for grants for fertility, but they are out there. There's some other financial options. We're conquering some other financial situations first before we can even pursue credit and all that kind of stuff. So money is tricky, money part of fertility is tricky. The good news is my insurance covers everything all the way up to the point where I start IVF. The minute I start IVF injections, medication, anything, all of the lab work and coding for the ultrasounds and anything they need to do for egg retrieval process and the whole thing, implantation, all that stuff, that whole time bracket all gets billed under fertility coding, which I don't supposedly get covered for. So I'm going to take advantage of everything I can with the lab work and the ultrasounds and make sure we have all our ducks in order and get diagnosed with infertility officially. And then I'm going to just charge through Cigna and make it happen, or die trying. I'm just kidding. I won't do that. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Emotions, though, prior to even receiving this phone call, have been the gamut. I'm not even on hormones, and I'm an emotional person, and I'm extremely happy. I'm extremely attracted to my husband, and I'm really sad at times, or I'm emotional from a song or a commercial. I'm not even pregnant yet and I'm emotional. It's gonna be crazy when I get pregnant. But anyway, it's been an interesting couple weeks. You start dreaming about it. You start fixating on the idea or what the process will be like, and it can get to you. So I'm kind of doing this video to check myself, chill for a second, Yeah, I'm 36, but I might not get 36-year-old eggs. I might be 37. Who knows? There's a plan. We just got to ride it out. I think if there was anything else I was going to cover. I just did a really long video, so you could watch that one, maybe skip through it. But that's the whole backstory and history. And what else? I think that's it for right now. Yeah, I'll keep you all posted as things go. Thanks. Bye.